Okay, let's now work on the likes fake data. Just first thing, I will delete everything from this database. You don't have to do this, but I just want to have a fresh start. So I'll make it fast. So I'll just copy the function that generates the comments. Yes, I'll call it like data. Like entity. It won't have a body. It will have a user and a post, but it will have another thing is a type, which will be a random array element of the this type here. So I'll export it. Go here. I'll import it. So how to get each value from the type object. Object.keys. Yes, object.keys and password the enum. So object.keys will get this happy, sad, angry, like, love. And here just copy this line and put it here. So when it's the like entity, I like that. And here in the app service, just pass to the fake it the like entity. And you don't need to await the comments or the like entity. They can run in parallel, it's okay. But one note, I think you notice that I'm repeating myself a lot here. Like now, how many lines? 107 lines. I think all these fake data is are just the same. So the only thing that changes is this object, which I think I can fix in the maybe in the next maybe when I finish the generation of all the fake data, I'll just do like one function that generates all of them. But yeah, the idea was just to show you how to use Faker with in nestjs and type ORM. Okay, I run the npm run start, and let's go to our database. I'll hit refresh. Now we have tables. I'll go to the likes. We should see, yes, so the type is like, angry, love, sad, whatever, and use ID and post ID. Okay, now I think the only thing left is the user followers.